Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to put time behind wallpaper. As you can see, time is available here, and if you want to put that time setting into behind wallpaper. So how you can do that? For this, what you have to do, you have simply watch this video completely. So before doing that, you have to make sure that you have installed the latest iOS 26 on your iPhone. So for this, you have to simply go to Journal, and after that, you have to simply go to Software Update, and you have to make sure that you have installed the latest iOS 26 on your iPhone. And after that, you have to simply go back. And now, what you have to do, you have to simply go to the wallpaper settings, and here you have to simply check for the wallpaper setting. And you have to simply click on Customize Wallpaper. And as you can see, I have already put that time behind that wallpaper. So if you want to set it, then there is a setting named depth effect. So if you turn this on, then time will be in front of the wallpaper. But if you turn this off, then it will be above, front in front of the wallpaper, which means it will be same as you were using before. So if you want to set that time in behind wallpaper, then you can simply have to make sure that you have turned on this depth effect on, and after that you can simply click on done, and your wallpaper setting will be changed. Now if you want to check whether that time is now in behind the wallpaper, as you can see, it is available in behind wallpaper, so you can simply check for that. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like this, you can subscribe our channel.